Have you ever wondered just how big a bird can get? We all know eagles, albatrosses, and ostriches. They're impressive, yes. But what if there once existed a bird so massive, so powerful, that it dwarfed them all? Now imagine this: a bird with a wingspan over 23 feet, wider than a small bus, a creature weighing nearly 70 kilograms, as heavy as a grown adult. At first it sounds like something out of a movie, doesn't it? But this was no fiction. This was real history. This mysterious giant was called Argentavis magnificens, the largest flying bird the Earth has ever known. Around 6 million years ago, the skies of Argentina belonged to Argentavis. With its colossal wings and gliding power, it ruled the skies like no other. Today, it is completely extinct, but its legacy still captures our imagination. To truly understand Argentavis, we need to picture its scale. An eagle's wingspan might reach 7 feet, an albatross about 11 feet, but Argentavis, 23 feet from tip to tip. That's longer than a car, almost the size of a small airplane. When this bird spread its wings, it must have cast a shadow like a floating cloud. And its body? Nearly 70 kilograms, meaning this was no light-feathered creature. Yet, despite its weight, it managed the impossible. It could fly. The question is, how did such a giant even get off the ground? The answer lies not in powerful wing flaps, but in the air itself. Argentavis was a master of the skies. It used thermal currents, rising columns of warm air, to lift its enormous body and soar for hours, maybe even days. Just like a modern glider plane. Once Argentavis caught the wind, it hardly needed to flap at all. Scientists believe it could travel up to 150 kilometers in a single flight without stopping, crossing vast plains in search of food. Today, when we look at an eagle, soaring high, we call it majestic. But imagine standing beneath an Argentavis. The eagle would look tiny by comparison, like a sparrow beside a hawk. Nature, at times, creates beings so extraordinary they seem impossible. Argentavis was one of those marvels, proof that the skies were once ruled by true giants. Though it has been gone for millions of years, its story reminds us of the incredible power and diversity of life on Earth, and how fragile even the mightiest creatures can be. So the next time you look up at a bird gliding effortlessly across the sky, remember this: once upon a time, there was a bird so big, so powerful, that even our imaginations struggle to capture it. Argentavis magnificens, the forgotten ruler of the ancient skies.